I chose the culinary program because I've actually been in the food industry for about 8 years at this point, but I really wanted to work on like my technical skills and the kind of behind the scenes stuff with like purchasing, costing, and all of that. I chose Nashville State because it seemed to be the most cohesive and have the most availability of things to learn and things to do while also not destroying your bank account. It's honestly just been a great experience. I would highly recommend it to anyone who's thinking about doing it. The chefs here are great, the program is great. The classes really give you a lot of insight into how to be successful in this business and what to kind of expect from this business.
We start with knife skills, stocks, sauces, and as you progress through the program, you build on those foundations and become more in depth with international cuisine, like the class we're doing now, Capstone, where the students are actually going to run their own restaurant on Thursday from the prep that they do today.
Well, my favorite class actually is the one I'm in right now, which is Capstone, because it kind of brings together all of what we've learned through the program and gives us just that little extra bit of freedom to kind of express what we can do as chefs.
You know, when you walk into a restaurant or a hotel or a country club and you're looking to get a position as a line cook or start your training, formal training in that setting, you want to have that door open, and having a degree in culinary arts, even a certificate, preferably associate's degree, gives you the opportunity to step in and say, I have this basic training, I have the fundamental knowledge that it takes to start learning your program.
Through the program, I've kind of sharpened those skills, and it's, made me realize that this is something I can make a life out of and, make a living out of. And it's really just kind of given me that extra, motivation to keep doing it.